Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable or manage your notifications in Clickup. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Clickup and just click here on left side notifications. When you're gonna do it, you want to go on this corner here, settings, and when you're gonna have settings, notifications are tied to your workspace. You can edit them for each workspace you're on. Okay, and now you have options to have the smart notifications. When I'm active on the web, delayed sending notifications, and you can go with 12 hours one day, or you can personally edit complete and every single, for email, for web in app, is really up to you. Then you have tasks here. Again, you can disable it. What I really like about this, that you can actually edit it based on your preference, every single one, right? So you can disable or the mobile or enable everything. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.